If you look back at any 1990s runway show, whether it's Versace, Chanel, or Mugler, there's one exact beauty detail that tied the entire decade together. It wasn't the hair, it wasn't the safety pin dresses, it was the legendary high contrast ombré lip. Ooh, this was a time. Child, it was a time to be alive. The ombre lip was it for the 90s. I just remember in the 90s, the ombre look was it. I mean, you would see people rocking it everywhere, but nobody wore this look better than the legendary Naomi Campbell. It radiated pure, untouchable luxury. But if you ever tried to recreate a 90s lip at home, you already know the struggle. Back then in the 90s, their techniques relied on bone-dry pencils, cool tone mattes, and harsh lines that made the lips look thin, dehydrated, and if we're being honest, a little crazy in modern light. Ladies, today I'm going to show you how I achieved the 90s ombre look to look effortlessly glam for everyday wear. Let's get into it. Step 1. Since the 90s look relies entirely on contrast, which means your lip liner cannot match your skin tone, it needs to be a deep, rich espresso or dark chocolate brown. I recently picked up the YSL one in the shade 107 Cocoa Flirt, and so far I'm loving this shade. I think another good option is the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Ladies, here's the modern age secret. Do not line the actual corners of your mouth tightly. When we overline the very outer corners, it pulls the mouth downward, making the face look tired. Instead, keep your line razor sharp at the cupid's bow in the center of the bottom lip. Feel free to slightly overline. Then, as you follow the line towards the outer corners, stay strictly within your natural border. This instantly lifts the entire mouth. Now for the fun part, the contrast pop. In the 90s, they used ultra matte chalky concealer nudes in the center. We are absolutely not doing that today. A flat, dry, matte center would immediately accentuate vertical lip lines and make the mouth look deflated. And for my ladies of a certain age, we do not want that. Instead, look for a satin or cream finished bullet lipstick in a warm, peachy, caramel, or soft terracotta nude. Apply it heavily only in the dead center of your lips. Now, instead of rubbing your lips side to side, take your ring finger and gently tap the edges where the dark brown liner meets the light lipstick. This creates a seamless airbrush ombre gradient that mimics a natural shadow, making the lips look twice as full. To finish off our runway-inspired look, we are adding the ultimate rich girl coat. Traditional 90s lips were often kept completely matte, but girl, we're going to give this a touch of modern light reflection because it changes everything. Take a high shine gloss or a nourishing lip oil and place it only in the center of the lips, right over the lighter lipstick pop. Today I have to pay homage to MAC with this MAC lip glass. The shine acts like a physical spotlight, drawing all the attention to the fullest part of our mouth while locking in hydration all day long because we don't want those lips to be dry or even look dry. And this is the finished 90s supermodel lip look. It's structured, it's chic, and it feels completely comfortable on the lips. Girl, you don't need a runway to carry out this type of presence. You just need the right technique. Thank you so much for joining me for month 1 of our return to Glamourstry. If you like this lip look or this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of my other videos. And of course, all of the luxury products are linked in the description box below. I would also like to know your favorite lip looks. Are you into a look like this where there's high contrast liner? Or are you into more bold looks with solid colors or nude looks? Or do you like something a little bit more clean or minimal? Please let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to you guys' response and learning a little bit more about you all. And until next time, stay glamorous.